When comparing Copy.ai versus ShortlyAI for story generation, it's clear that both AI tools offer unique features, but which one really comes out on top? In this video, we'll dive into both tools, analyzing what works, what doesn't, and why one might be better for your needs. Let's start with Copy.ai. One of the biggest selling points here is the ease of use. Copy.ai has a simple, clean interface that helps users get started quickly. You don't need a lot of technical knowledge, which makes it perfect for those just getting into AI-generated content. The story generation templates are solid, offering a variety of styles and tones that can help you craft engaging narratives. However, the output can sometimes feel generic. While it generates stories fast, the results lack the depth you might expect from a truly creative tool. Sure, it's a great option for quick projects or drafts, but you might find yourself doing a lot of tweaking and refining afterward. Copy.ai does shine in versatility, but it doesn't always hit that creative spark that really draws a reader in. Next, let's talk about ShortlyAI. This tool is marketed as a more specialized AI for storytelling. ShortlyAI allows you to write stories with minimal input, and its output tends to be more coherent and focused. It excels at continuing a narrative, which makes it a good option for long-form storytelling. If you're writing novels or longer pieces of content, ShortlyAI provides a smoother flow with more creative writing assistance. That being said, ShortlyAI isn't perfect. One issue is that it doesn't offer as many templates or customization options as Copy.ai. You have fewer ways to tweak the tone or style of your writing, which can make it more limiting for certain projects. Plus, the AI sometimes struggles with maintaining context, which can leave you with jarring transitions between story parts. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Copy. AI has a range of plans, but it's relatively expensive for the features you get. You pay for the convenience and speed, but if you're working on a larger scale or long term, those costs can add up. ShortlyAI is a bit cheaper, but still doesn't offer the same level of customization or templates as Copy.ai. Both tools are subscription-based, so depending on your usage, the pricing might not work for everyone. Now, let's get to the part you're probably wondering about. Which one is better for story generation? If you're looking for something fast and versatile with plenty of options for various content types, Copy.ai could be the way to go. It's solid for creating quick stories or generating content in a range of formats. But if your goal is more focused on deep, creative storytelling, ShortlyAI might offer the better experience. It's more tuned to long-form writing, but with fewer customizable features. So, what's the final verdict? Both Copy.ai and ShortlyAI are useful tools, but after testing them both extensively, I've found a better alternative that really excels at generating high-quality, creative stories. If you want to experience a truly powerful AI tool for your story generation needs, check out the first link in the description for an exclusive trial. You'll get the best trial deal available to my viewers, with benefits not offered anywhere else. Take advantage of it now and see the difference yourself.